He, hun, ka, osh, kan, ho. Do you know what this means? I'm counting in Maya. Like other civilizations, Mayans also developed a numeric system. I invite you to travel to time to discover the fascinating Mayan numbers and find the differences and similarities with our decimal system. First, it is important that you know that this system has a bigesimal base, or to put it in an easier way, it is based on groups 20. It only had three symbols that were combined according to the numbers that they wanted to represent, and these were the point that their value is 1, aligned with a value of 5, and the snail, shell, or seed with a value of 0. These three symbols combined resulted in the following numbering. I will give you the first difference that we found our decimal system has based on 10 or 10 symbols, but shares a similarity with the Mayan system. The symbols can be combined depending on the number you want to represent. Another point you should know is that both the Mayan and the decimal system are positional numbering systems. What does that mean? It means that the value of each symbol depends on its position within the figure. For example, it is not the same if you write 1976 to that if we write 6791. In our decimal system, the position of number is horizontal, so it means that it goes from left to right. If we have 1996, the 1 is worth more than 9, the 9 is more than 7, and so on. In this case, 1 represents 1000, 9 represents 900, 7 represents 70, and 6 represents 1. One more example, if we had 2 and 8 in decimal system, as we know what quantity represents because either 2 corresponds to the position of tens and is multiplied by 10, and 8 corresponds to the one of units and is multiplied by 1. Then 20 plus 8 gave us 28. In the Mayan number system, something similar happens, but instead of accumulating the symbols in units of miles, hundreds, tens, and units, they do so by levels that start from the bottom to up and do not multiply by the symbol by 100, if not by 20. Remember that is a 20 bit decimal system of base 20. If it's well, in the first level, the symbol is multiplied by 1. In the second level, by 20. In the third, by 400. 4 is the same as 20 times 20. And in the fourth, by 8,000. Or by 20 times 20 times 20. And so on each time a level increase multiplying once again by 20, and do not be scared. Let's see an example if we want to represent 28. How we do it? Remember that we only have these three symbols: the snail that is 0, the point that is 1, and the line that is 5. For 8 we write a line and 3 points above it. 1 plus 1 plus 1 and equals to 3. 5 plus 3 give us 8. Ready to represent 8 on 11.1, 8 times 1 is equal to 8. And for 28, the only thing we have to do is draw a point on the second level. Why a point? Because on the second level, the value of the symbol is multiplied by 20. So 1 times 20 gives us 20. And 20 plus 8 on the first level, we get 28.